birthday.
It's
Tell your
Nevaeh's
friends they come out
birthday.
here and enjoy the festivities too.
To the activities. J-Rock. Nevaeh.
No? Yes?
Yeah.
They gotta sing.
Yeah, have
Y'all gotta sing.
I don't know. Jen's ready to sing.
Alright.
Oh, Canadian.
The happy birthday song.
Yep, the happy birthday song.
Let's sing.
Go ahead, Mom. You start it off.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mayor. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Blow out your candle.
Put it out. Blow hard.
Big blow. Come on.
There you go. Alright. Plates or just give people cupcakes?
Can I smash your face?
Let's do it.
Do it. Go ahead.
I'll do it.
Cupcake.
Go ahead. Alright.
Are you ready?
Just smash a cupcake in her
She's
face.
so-
Not the whole thing, just a
She's
cupcake.
so gonna hate me.
She's so ready.
She's so gonna hate me.
Ready?
So gonna be mad.
Just take no, look, just take a big bite.
Take a big.
Oh. Oh. Oh, it's alright.
man,
It tastes
you're
good.
okay.
Look.
Eat it.
Real
Now
good.
you gotta do it to Kevin to make it fair.
Don't you throw a cupcake
No,
on
I'm not
me.
gonna throw a
That's
cupcake.
Ray's first birthday cupcake
Hey.
bites.
Nevaeh.
Hey.
Nevaeh.
Nevaeh.
It's almost Uncle Kevin's birthday. You should
Hey.
smash a cupcake in his face.
Can I have some?
Okay, I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna do it myself. I'm
No,
gonna do
oh.
it myself.
Oh, it's all in your ear. It's in your ear.
Oh, you bitch.
It's in your ear, dude. You about that ear cupcake. Just keep eating.
Oh,
That's pretty good.
That is pretty good. You like it? Oh, you got it on my coat.
You got some on your ear, bro.
Happy birthday.
No, no.
Oh, cupcake face.
His ear.
Damn,
Cupcake one.
it's pretty good. She looks like Squidward.
Did Papa have a cupcake?